Well, hello, my Facebooker friends and YouTubers. I am going to do an unboxing of a Bauer rotary hammer kit. 3-in-1. Got my handy dandy short Gerber knife here. Open that up. Get the box out. And see, we cut that open. Don't get. See what we got inside. Alright. Pull that back, push in. Alright. We got the usual information here. We got 2 brushes for the motor. Got to keep that. And then we got a hammer drill here. And I bought this just especially for this porch. And we are going to find out if it can do what I want it to do. Untwist these little twisters here. Show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take all this, as much as I can, all this old stucco off the side of this porch and around the block on the porch. We're going to re-stucco this. And let's see what else we got in here. We got anything. We got a depth bit. We don't need it right now. So what we got here? I suppose I need to find out. Okay. There's some kind of rubber thing here. Not sure what it is, but we're not going to use it in here. So put that up. Well, I'm going to put all this other stuff up in here. So we'll have it. I'm going to need it. Bought me a SDS bit. It's a flat SDS bit. Like this. Right here. Alright, flat, nice and sharp. And let's see how we get out of this. How about if I open my handy dandy pliers? This is a Gerber, by the way. Let's see here. They do make it hard to get it out of here, so let's go ahead and break it apart. Alright. Take the tab off of it. One spread out, the other spread out. Comes out like that. Alright. They sure didn't make it easy to put up. Take it off. Okay. This should slide right into place wherever you want it. Alright. Maybe that's what it was. That's what it was. Okay. We'll be right back with you. I might got the wrong bit. Okay, see y'all later. I do have the wrong bit. Adios.